Look at this question. This is a question based on the Wheatstone bridge. And according to this question, 6 equal resistances each of 4 ohm are connected to form a network as shown in figure. What is the resistance between A and B? See these 2 points which are A and B, and you have to find out the net resistance between A and B. Now first of all we have to resolve this network in the form of Wheatstone bridge. How? See, from A two resistances are going between the point C and O, and from B also the resistance two resistances are going to the point between C and O, and between C and O one resistance is also connected, and between A and B one resistance is connected. First of all you will see that if I will resolve this in the form of Wheatstone bridge, so from A to C one resistance is going, from A to O one resistance is going, from B to C one resistance, and from B to O one resistance. Okay, now see, here 4 ohm, here 4 ohm, here 4 ohm and 4 ohm. So P by Q is equal to R by S. This is the condition of the balanced Wheatstone bridge. So you have got the equal ratio. If you have got the equal ratio in this manner, so this is the balanced Wheatstone bridge. So if this is a balanced Wheatstone bridge, now look at this. I have neglected the arm CO. Why? The reason is that when I taught you this topic, I told you no current will be flowing in this arm if these two are at the same potential and bridge is balanced. So when bridge is balanced, there will be no use of the resistance between C and O because no current is flowing. So we will neglect this resistance from the arm. Now in this condition you have to find out the net resistance. So see, these two are in series and these two are in series. So R1 you will be getting 4 plus 4, this is 8 ohm, and R2 you will be getting 4 plus 4, that is 8 ohm. Okay, now the circuit will be like this. This is one and this is another resistance between A and B, and between A and B this resistance is there. Okay, and this is 8 ohm which you have got this, and this is 8 ohm which you have got from here, and this is 4 ohm. Clear? And this is the point A and this is the point B. So first of all these three all are in the connected between the two same point, so these are in parallel combination. So R1, R2, and suppose this is a resistance R dash, they are in parallel combination. Okay, so take 1 upon R net resistance, 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, and this is if I have suppose R dash, 1 plus 1 upon R dash, and this will be 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 4. Okay, so when you will solve this you will be getting 1 by 4, and this is 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So you have got the net resistance R is equal to 2 ohm. This is the answer of this type of question.